Hello guys, I made a video a couple of days ago regarding how you can contact the IRCC if your visa has been delayed. Hello guys, if you are applying for a visa to Canada, you've submitted your application, you've done your biometrics and everything, and you still have not heard back from the IRCC even after the normal processing time, whether it's for study permit, visa, whatever it is, and we are wondering how you can get in touch with them to be able to get feedback. I want you to stick to the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you can contact the IRCC to get an update on your application status. Stick with me. Before we do that, only use this process when it's necessary. Don't just use it anyhow, only use it when it's necessary. So you first need to check the processing time, the average processing time of the visa type that you're applying for, and how long it takes for them to process and how long yours have been due. I mean, unless it has been delayed twice the average processing time, or maybe whatever purpose it is that you are traveling for is passed. So if you're going to school, the school intake there has passed and you have not heard from them, those kind of things to use. So let me show you how you can do the processing time and how you can contact the IRCC when your visa, your Canadian visa application has been delayed. All right, guys, so you want to come to Google, right, and then type in Canada visa processing time. Right, so go to the official IRCC website and click on check processing time. So select what type of visa you are applying for, what type of the temporary visa you're applying for. So let's say it's visitor visa from outside, and then you choose the country. So let's say you're applying from Nigeria, Ghana, whatever country. Just select scroll, and then choose it. So get the processing time. So the last time I checked was 180 days. Now it has moved up to 191 days. 191 days, which is a little over 6 months. So know when you applied, how long it has been, and then you can definitely reach out to her. So if you are sure that your visa has gone past 6 months, or is even a year for a visitor visa you're applying from Nigeria, then you can reach out to IRCC. Or, as I said, if the purpose for which you are traveling is overdue or is no longer applicable, then you can go out and reach out to IRCC. So the question is, how do I reach out to IRCC? Let me show you guys real quick. So stay to the end of this video. Let me show you real quick. All right, guys. So again, same process. Let's go to Google. If you want the specific link, I can send it to you. So it's called web form IRCC, right? Web form IRCC. So this is this is the IRCC web form, right? So update or ask about your application, ask about program or service. So we want to update or ask about your application, right? So what would you like to do? Do you want to check your applications? Do you want to change or add or change your representative, add a document, ask for an urgent processing, withdraw or cancel your application, schedule or change an interview? So you just want to ask or check, let's say check the application status, right? So see details. So they say before you reach out to her, check your status online. So you can click on this link, right, to check your status, or you can go to your IRCC portal and check your status. Or if you still want to contact them, right, so this is the steps that you need to follow to check. You can do that, or you can, and I'll recommend doing that before you go to the form, right? So this is how the form, just follow the on-screen instructions and then fill it out. But I'll strongly recommend that you go ahead and check, right? So you go ahead and check your status. But so what did you apply for? So visa, continue on. And depend on what, just follow the instructions, right? Right, guys, so there you have it. As I mentioned earlier on, you need to be sure you have followed all the steps before you reach out to IRCC. Only reach out using the web form when absolutely necessary. If you want the link, comment on this video. I'm going to send you the link for both the how to check the processing time and how to contact the IRCC, the web form. Use it only when absolutely necessary, guys. I wish you all the best on your visa application journey. Stay blessed.